Hello, welcome back once again. In today's tutorial, we're going to continue from where we stopped the last time. The last time we looked at the Microsoft Excel on how to program your student report or to how to code your student report. We look at how we can put the subtotal, the total, then we get the exam score, we convert to the total of 100%, and then today we want to look at how we can grade, and then we position those students and then we give the remarks. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go in. So if we come to the grade, we shall be using the if function. So equal sign. If you know this part is small for you, just use the formula bar which is here. So if cell, you are using the total here, if cell J3 is greater than, if J3 is greater than or equal to, so greater than or equal to 80, if it's greater than or equal to 80, we say that it is A. Okay, don't forget to put the semicolon before 80, that is A, then you close with the semicolon again, comma, if the same cell is greater than or equal to 70, greater than or equal to 70, we say that is B, right? So comma, if cell J3 is greater than or equal to 60, we say that, so it's comma before you put the value you want to give to it, and you close it with the semicolon again, don't forget that, comma, if cell J3 is greater than or equal to 50, so let's say 50, we say that the person has D. Comma, if cell J3 is greater than or equal to 40, we say the person is having E, or otherwise we say the person is having, the person has what? F. Okay, otherwise say the person has F. Then you close the bracket with the number of brackets you have used. So you have how many brackets here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the brackets here will also be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the last bracket is black, so this one will also be black. This is red, and this will also be red. Okay, then you press enter. So it means this person has B because it's 75, and then you auto fill it, and then you are good to go. So the grading has been done. We have A, 2 A's, then B's are there, the C's are there. So depending on how you want to grade it. So let's look at the position, how do I get the positions? So the positions is also done based on the totals the person has or the grading. So I come to the position, I want to put it here. You start with the equal sign. You want to rank it. So rank, I want to rank this cell, comma. So use the dollar sign, then the cell name L J3, J, the dollar sign again, 3 is to there is to you want to get there is a range you want to get, so from J3 to J22. So by use the dollar sign again before you get the next one. So J dollar sign 22, then comma, we exclude 0. This means that we are excluding 0. 0 is not part of the ranking, so no one will have 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now you enter, so it means you must start from 1. So you enter. So this person, that's John, is the 7th position. Let's autofill it to get the rest. You get it. So we have the first, second, third, fourth, and then so on. So in this, note that if some totals are repeating, let's say some people have bracket, don't worry about that. Excel will also rank that for you. If there are 2 people that are having first, it will give them first, and then it will jump to the third. Okay, just like the way we do it in the classroom. It will not repeat the thing. All right, so it will, if the people are having 3 people are even having first, it will give them all first. So it means that we don't have second, we don't have third, we're going to what, 4th. Okay, just like the way we do in the classroom. Now let's come to the remarks. Now the remarks, we are going to use the if clause again, the if function again. Now with that, because I've already used it in the grading side, I'll just come and copy it. I don't want to waste time in re-entering the whole thing. So this is the easiest way to go about it. Come and copy the whole thing because I want to use the same function. Okay, and then you come to the remarks site and paste it. Come to the remarks site and what? Paste it. After pasting it, we are only going to change the alphabet, the grading A's, B, and C. So if the person has A, what do I want to give the person? I want to give the person excellent. I want to give the person excellent. If the person has B, I want to give the person very good. If the person has C, I want to give the person good. So it depends on how you want to give to the person, the remarks you want to give. This, I want to give the person pass. And then E, I'll give the person credit. And then F, I'll give the person fail. And then you press enter. So it means John, the remarks there is very good for him. And then for autofill, and you get all the rest. Now adjust it so that it can be clear. So it means that in this, the remarks has also been done very well. So you have to decide what kind of remarks you want to give and you put it inside there. Thank you for watching once again. Then don't forget to hit the subscription button. I really appreciate you being in my channel. Help me to grow the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification button so when I release any other new video, you not be left out when I release it. Alright, until we meet again, have a blessed time. Goodbye.